Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to add grain or some type of texture to your illustrations in Adobe Illustrator. Let's jump right into it. So we have our illustration right here. First thing we want to do is select the shape we want to add texture to. As you see, it's this one over here with the box next to it. You want to drag it down to the plus sign to create a duplicate of that same shape. And we're going to fill that in with a gradient. And you can click here to add a gradient. Press G on your keyboard and you can click and drag to edit your gradient. I want kind of like this, right? Once you're happy with how your gradient is looking, you can go to Effect, Texture, Grain, and let's zoom in. Now you can find grain under texture over here, and I usually choose for grain type, I choose this stippled one, but you could try with different effects if you'd like. I usually just go with stippled. And I play around with the intensity depending on the effect I'm looking for. And with the contrast as well. I usually give it a pretty low number. When I'm happy with it, press OK. Next thing is open the transparency panel. If you can't find it right here, you will find it under Window and Transparency. Now the only thing you gotta do here is change the blending mode to something probably like soft light. And there you go. It's really easy, but gives a really textured look to it. So that's it. I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Also comment what you'd like to see next. Follow me on Instagram, on TikTok, where I post shorter versions of these same tutorials. Be sure to check my website out, where I have some prints available and these really cool hats and some other clothing items. I'll see you tomorrow.